How's it going, guys? So I just received my new electronic speed controller ESC from Linnpower. I have to upgrade my old one for my EVO MK1 PRO mountain board. Alright, so my EVO is right here. That's my board. Yeah, so I have to update ESC. So this baby of mine already got like 10 plus miles on it. I got her since November 2024, and yeah, been riding she's been my daily, and since then on and off I got like 3 times like the, what do you call this, the mileage just reset, from the remote. And I emailed them. They told me it's like there's a bug on the ESC, the ESC on this one, the current ESC on this one. There's a bug, but doesn't affect it doesn't affect the performance. Yeah, so I don't know, it just resets every so like 1,000-2,000 miles before, and then it just reset. So I took some pictures of it a while back, so I just put it on my notepad, keep on adding out how many mileage, and the recent one I got was like 10,100 miles on it. And then it just reset one of those days a few months ago, and then I just reset back to 0, so restart again. So what I'm saying is like I'm updating it, so hopefully this one got no bug, like a ESC bug thing on it. And yeah, hopefully they updated it. So alright guys, time to install this one. First thing, I got to remove the grip tape and access all out right here. Cool. Easy, that. Look at that. Nice. Just wipe it up with alcohol so sticky residue be gone. Check this out, guys. Forgot how pretty this board is. Alcohol wipes it down. Yeah. The texture is crazy. So nice. All right, time to open up my board. So let's see what I need. Yeah, got it. And good. There it is. All right. And 20. All right, 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8 on this side, then 2 in the front, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. So 20 bolts. Now, moment of truth, T. All right, moment of truth, guys. Time to open up the ESC. I mean, not the ESC, the enclosure. Yeah. Let's see how this thing goes. All right. Sealed. Ooh. Whoa, battery fell off. All right. Let's see. Battery, look at that. Beautiful batteries. And that's the ESC. Give it a good angle though. This is the one we're gonna take out. Replace it with a new one. New ESC. see. They told me it's just plug and play. Easy put on. Oh, it's pretty fresh. So this goes to the motor. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh, pretty easy, I guess. So I believe I have to take the... Do I have to take the heatsink out? Let's check, guys. Alright. Where is the battery connection? Okay. So this is the battery. Oh, it's easy, I think. So this for the battery. Battery here. That one. Gotta take that one out. And then... Okay, I took the battery out. The battery connector. And you disconnect the battery from this. And then also, to make it easier, you can take out their... You gotta do the charging port too as well. Yeah. Now I gotta disconnect this. Gotta disconnect the motor, which means I have to unscrew those nuts right here. Yeah, screw those bolts. And then disconnect on that side. Okay. Alright guys, I'm all over the place right now. So yeah. So first things first, once you open it up, disconnect the battery from the ESC. And then also the charging port. Yeah. So it's more like easy access battery bit all the way up right here. So next time I need new batteries, I know how to take this out. I don't know how to take this off now. I know how to replace it when I get the battery. Battery's still good actually. Make sure you keep in balance. Alright. So I removed the trucks to access this one right here. Okay, so I removed the trucks to take off this was that the motor cover? Not the motor cover. The cable connector from the motor to the ESC. Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, so I gotta move this to, yeah, because the channel truck's is on the way. So to make it more easier, just take out the rear trucks. Yeah. Then from that, I gotta take this one out now. All right here. Yeah, those screws back there. All right. Whoo! It's work, guys. We're making progress, though. All right. So disconnect this. Take this off. Slide it out. Then hopefully the EC will be out. Okay, guys. That took a while. Taking out this, separating the motor cable from the ESC. Oh man, you know what I noticed? This is built by look at it, Ace Deck. I forgot about that. Yeah, same connector with our Ace Deck. This is a new ESC. Yep. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Linnpower and AC. Yeah, anyway, Linnpower makes parts a lot. They have very good parts. Okay, now I gotta take this off. Take these screws off. Then slide out the ESC. And hopefully we'll be done soon. Whew! I know eating up much of your time, yo. Oh, by the way, guys, if you got your EVO got a light on it, you have to disconnect that too, right there. Yeah. Also, while I'm at it, I already tighten up these bolts right here. Tighten up those bolts, those hardware. Yeah. Board deck. Enclosure, battery, new ESC, all ESC, the motor. Cool. Alright. there's the last part. I believe I might take out the heatsink too, I guess. So I have to take out the cover plate of the old ESC to access the power button, the power output right here. See, I gotta disconnect that one. So that goes to the new ESC right there. Those two white ones right there. Yep. Cool. So I have to unplug those. Alright, disconnected the power button port. And this one right here is actually for the light. But yeah, this disconnector is for the light, for the brake light. Alright guys, I figured how to take the ESC off the heatsink. You have to take these 4 bolts out. And then it's just gonna pop top. You have to pry it up a little bit. It's just gonna pop top, yeah. So yeah. So this 4 bolts are connected to this right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, like that, and then slides out. Yeah. They also, the one they sent me comes with a sticky thing like this. Yeah. Oh, it's easy peeled up already. All right. Yeah, the one they sent me, the ESC comes with a sticky thingy. Okay, what's it? Yeah, comes with a new one. Yep. And the new ESC, I was already installed the light connector. You can see it right there. Yep, it's already installed it. But the only thing is, like, this one right here, you have to really force it in, especially with this. So what I did is just say, try to knock it out with a screwdriver, and we punch a hole in this, punch it kind of a little bit bigger, and then pull this separately. Like, you're gonna pull it out. I should took a video of that earlier, but anyways, you pull this out part so it opens up. But I did put this plate right here already. Put it back on. Yeah, this one's, by the way, it's like, you can, it's like 2 parts. You can just pull it out right there. So this connects half and half, and then just press it in. They're like small pins in it. All right guys, so the next one is next part is just installing the ESC here, connecting the cables, and then reverse the process.